Welcome. If you're ready to brighten up your Roblox experience and turn off dark mode after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to disable dark mode on the Roblox app for PC and switch back to the classic light theme. Let's get started. First, open up your Roblox app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in so you can access all your settings. Once you're on the main screen, look to the left side for the three dots icon. This is the More menu. Click on those three dots to open up a list of additional options. From this menu, find and click on Settings. This is where you can customize your Roblox experience and tweak things to your liking. Inside the Settings menu, look for the Account Info section and click on it. This section holds all your key account details, including the theme settings we're looking for. Now, scroll down until you spot the theme option. Here, you'll see two choices, dark and light. To disable dark mode, simply select light. The change should take effect immediately, giving your Roblox app a much brighter and more classic look. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully switched off dark mode and enabled the light theme on your Roblox app for PC. Whether you prefer a brighter interface for daytime use or just want that familiar Roblox feel, this quick change makes it easy. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and share your thoughts in the comments. Do you prefer light mode or dark mode? Let us know. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your time on Roblox with your new theme.